In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Add to Cart button in WooCommerce. We'll be doing this directly from your WordPress dashboard using a small piece of custom CSS. You don't need to touch any theme files or install extra plugins, but you should follow along carefully so everything works as expected. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Appearance, then hover your mouse over it. A submenu will appear just to the right. From that submenu, click on Editor. This will open the Site Editor, which lets you control the overall design and styling of your site. Give the editor a moment to load. When it's ready, look again at the panel on the left side of the screen. You'll see an option called Styles. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a new sidebar will slide in, usually from the left, showing your style settings for the active theme. Now, at the top right corner of this new style sidebar, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down that appears, select Additional CSS. As soon as you select it, a text field will appear. This is where you can paste or type your custom CSS code. In this field, paste the same CSS code that's shown in the original guide or in the example linked in the editor. If you're following along with a video tutorial, feel free to pause on the part where the code is displayed so you can copy it accurately. Make sure you include everything exactly as it appears, since even a small typo in CSS can stop it from working properly. After pasting the code, take a quick moment to double check it. When you're happy with how it looks, move your attention to the very left side of the screen, at the bottom of the main panel. You should see a button that says something like Review 1 Change. Click this button. A pop-up will open, summarizing the change you've made to your site's styles. Look over the summary to confirm that it matches what you intended. When you're ready to apply the change, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of that pop-up. WordPress will then save your new CSS. Once it finishes, your WooCommerce Add to Cart button should now be hidden on the front end of your site.